Right, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to look at how to record VAT payment on QuickBooks Enterprises. This is a follow-up video on how to process input VAT and output VAT on QuickBooks Enterprise. So if you don't know how to do that, watch my video. I've done a video on that. Now, this video is a follow-up on that so that you will get a complete picture of how we account for VAT on QuickBooks Enterprise. So we're going to go to QuickBooks and see how do we process or how do we record the VAT payment. So let me just share the QuickBooks Enterprise window. All right. So basically, now we are using, as I said, we are using this a fictitious company, Fresh Tech Gadgets, and previously we showed you how to account or how to process output and input VAT, and from that we saw that after doing that we will have a report under company and financials balance sheet standard. If we were to view our report, that is our balance sheet report, we could see that the net effect of doing what we did, this is VAT on purchases, this is VAT on sales, then we have to pay $300. We have to pay $300 to the tax authority. In this case, it's the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority, because I'm doing this video from Zimbabwe. If you are in South Africa, it could be SARS. If you are in any other jurisdiction, it could be the tax authority of that jurisdiction. So we want to see now, how do we pay this $300? Now, for us to process this payment, we have to come to vendors, right? So we come to vendors, then we come to sales tax, then we go to pay sales tax, right? So when we go to that window, we have this window, right? So here we have to select the account we are paying from, right? In my case, I had only set one bank account, which is CBZ Nostro. If you have got any other bank account, you select the appropriate account that you are using to pay the tax liability, right? Then the check date, this is the date on which we are making the payment. In this case, I'm just using 4 June, right, 2024. Then here you are saying show tax due through, so you're selecting up to which date you want to see the tax due. In my case, I'm going to change the date. This is May, so I'm going to change this date to June, because I processed my transactions in June, so I'm going to end it in June, 3rd June, right? Then from there onwards, if I continue like just punching on tab on my computer keyboard, it will actually bring all the transactions that relates to output VAT and input VAT. Then here I could actually see the amount I'm supposed to pay, right? So for June, I've got this 3,000, I've got this 1.5, then I've got this 1.2. This 1.2 was for expenses, this 1.5 was for purchase of televisions, and this 3,000 was for sale of the televisions, and the net effect is 300. So the 300, because it's positive, I'm supposed to pay this to the tax authority. So I will just click on pay all taxes, right? Then once I pay all taxes, you could find I've got 300 here, then I've got 300 there. So when I click on okay, my tax is paid, right? So I will just click on okay there, then I could refresh the report. So you'd find when I do that, the tax is paid and I am done on paying the tax. So basically, that's how you process the payment of your VAT on QuickBooks Enterprise. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.